Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview updates. Today we'll be looking at the Wolf Remains Logar, our first on the list. We now have the actual runners, and good news, this is indeed has a metal parts and an included action base. And we also get a cape and a water slide decals for the actual build. Next on the list is Gundam Barbatos High Grade Adapt. This model significantly updates the original Barbatos frame with added articulation points in the neck, shoulders, abdomen, and hips. All polycap parts has been replaced with KPS or Kuriha plastic system, material enhanced for joint strength and longevity. All exterior armor parts utilize completely new molds to meticulously recreate the battle damage repair sections, offering a look entirely different from the 6th form. This kit includes newly sculpted large and small katanas, which can be stored on the waist thrusters. And the thrusters themselves can rotate up and down. This is scheduled for a release on May 2026. And too bad this is a P Bandai exclusive release. And next on the list is the ELS Model 1 is to 35 Lupus Rex. Imagine this is the bus, but instead of just the bus, they also added the actual body parts from the Lab Zero Garage kit. This will feature over 700 precision parts with more than 10 color separations, offering high detail straight out of the box. According to rumors, this will be available around the second quarter of 2026. This will have a height of at least 55 cm tall when completed. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.